Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. Today I have that BeeBeeCraft unboxing or unbagging as the case may be. These things I have been waiting to get here from China, and hang on one second, we'll get this bag open. There we go. Okay, so we have, look at that. Always love when things are wrapped in a lovely manner. Okay, so there's this package that came from China and this package that came from the U.S. warehouse. And speaking of the U.S. warehouse, right now, BeeBeeCraft is having their last and biggest blowout clearance. There are things that are up to 75% off. It's just for the USA warehouse products. And their USA warehouse is actually moving to a new address, and some of the products are sold at their cheapest prices yet, so you don't want to miss out. So you need to run over to BeeBeeCraft.com and check that all out. So there's that information. I will also add that in the description box below so that you can see that. And we're going to try and get through this unboxing without coughing all over everything. So we're going to give that a try. So let's start with this one first. Yeah, see, she said cough. Look what happened. Okay, so this is the Panda Hall Elite 150-piece star-shaped sealing wax beads with one-piece wax stamp, one-piece wax melting spoon, and 3 pieces of candles. Now, say that 10 times fast. I love their... So we have 150 star-shaped sealing waxes in here, and you'll notice they are all different colors. There is a wax sealing spoon, and it's surprisingly heavy, which is really cool. And then 3 of their little wax candles that are in here, so the little burners. And then the stamp is surprisingly heavy. It's got a beautiful wood handle, a lovely piece of brass. This actually says "for you" on it. And at another date, we will go through all of this and we will melt and seal some wax for you. And you can see that. But this one, again, this is the Panda Hall Elite 150 pieces star-shaped sealing wax beads with 1-piece wax stamp, 1-piece wax melting spoon, and 3 pieces of candles. And that's DIY PH 0010-03. And I absolutely love these little wax pieces. So you can mix them together in the spoon. You can just match your colors up. You can do all kinds of things with these. And the cool thing is this actually says to use 2 or 3 pieces of the star beads to create your stamp for your wax. So that way you have enough to do what it is that you're doing. But like I said, we're going to do some things with this besides just making wax seals. We're going to try a few different things. So you will see that at another video if we can get through that without doing this whole coughing thing. So we're going to set this aside. There's that one. And then we have this. So you guys are going to see a theme here in just a minute. Okay, so taped up really, really well. I love it. These guys tape packages like I do. I like to make sure that things are sealed in there good and that they're not going to move around. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're going to set that aside for a moment. All right, there's this one. And like I said, you're going to see a theme here in just a second. So this one is not that one. That one. This is the Panda Hall Elite Wax Seal Stamp Set. 10 pieces, It says Totem Fire Manuscript Sealing Wax Sticks with wick and one-piece wax stamp for paper, stationery, envelope, and parcels. And this one is DIY WH0002-01. And when they say totem, this is what they mean. These are the wax pieces, and they are super pretty. So you've got gold and then the red. And these are absolutely gorgeous. And you know, at the risk of sounding like I'm bashing on somebody's video, I'm really, really not. But it was a video I saw a couple of years ago, and I watched some little young girl take one of these with her wax seal, and she was cutting them with like scissors, cutting it with like scissors. And she could not understand why that string was in there. And she just kept saying, you know, it makes no sense. Why is the string in here? Why is the string in here? Well, the string in there is so that you can light that like a candle. You light the end of it, melt your wax, and then stamp. So, but there's that. But we're going to do a few other different things with this. So here is another lovely wax seal. So you get your 10 pieces of your Totem Fire Manuscript Sealing Wax with the wick, the one-piece sealing stamp, and it's designed so that you can do like different types of seals on different things. I mean, obviously it's easier to take this and go and melt it onto whatever you're doing, like on a bottle or a package or whatever it is that you're doing, so that you can use your seal on it. And this seal also says for you. And I absolutely love that one. So this is the Panda Hall Elite Wax Stamp Set, and it's DIY WH0002-01. And that one is $11.29 US. So there's that. So we're going to set that aside. And then we have I actually ordered just a plain stamp. If I can find it. There it is. This is the Panda Hall Elite Wax Stamp Seal Vintage Retro brass head with a wooden handle, and I got the alphabet letter C. Excuse me, because of my last name. And you can get, let's see, on these you can get all of the alphabet, I believe. A, B. I think you can get the whole entire alphabet, and then one of the other pieces that you can get is one that has different sayings on it. And one says love. We have my, not sure, I think that says my friend. I'm reading backwards. There's a thank you, a miss you, good luck. There's a flower. And then one that says, not sure what that says. I think that one says for you, but it's a set of 7 stamps that also come in this particular spot when you're ordering. So, like I said, the one that I ordered was the letter C, and $6.29. And it's a beautiful size. I love the wood for the handles on these, and the brass is so nicely heavy, and the texture on that stamp is just beautiful. So we are going to see how all of these look and how they all stamp. And I can honestly say that once upon a time in my life, using a brass sealing stamp, you know, sometimes they seal and they release and whatnot, and they release really, really nice. And then there's other times that I've seen some that just didn't. And honestly, I think it has to do with the wax. So we're going to see how these hold up. And if they're anything like anything else that's come from BeeBeeCraft, they are going to be absolutely beautiful with how they seal. So there's that. And we have one more thing along the same lines as this theme that we have going with the wax seals. This is the, if I can get it open, there you go. This is the Panda Hall Elite Wooden Wax Seal Kit. And it is the sealing stamp wax spoon, the vintage stamp wax stick melting pot holder, 4 pieces of candle, and 50 pieces of the star wax beads. And there's no hole for wax stamp sealing. So in other words, these are, they call them beads, and they are the same as these, but because they call them a bead, they want you to know that it's a wax bead, so there's no hole in it to be using for that sort of thing. So there's 50 in there. This is a different wax spoon. This one has a cute little wooden handle. So there's that. That's lovely. And then there's the little, get this unwrapped. This is a lovely hefty size, which is really nice. So this is designed so that this can sit in here. Hopefully you guys can see that. But look at that. Beautiful. So, and there's the little holes so that it can vent for the heat. And then the little wax or the little candle heaters. So you light your little candle heater, set that under there, and it melts your wax for you. Excuse me. And then you can stamp. So this set does not have a stamp to go with it, but you know, hello, we don't have any shortage of stamps at this point. So there's those from the other kits that I have, and the little wax heater, there's that, and then you put your little wax beads in there. So if I were doing this, this is what I would do. I would find some matching colors, put them in there, heat that, and then do my seal. And I love that. I think that is a beautiful presentation sitting on your desk, and absolutely lovely. So again, this one is the Panda Hall Elite Wooden Sealing Wax Kit, and you have your sealing stamp wax spoon, your vintage seal stamp wax stick melting pot holder, which is that, 4 pieces of candles, and then the 50 star wax beads with no hole for wax stamp sealing. And that's PH-DIY-G005-17. And I will put all of that information for all of these in the description box below so that you guys can see that. And we have one more thing to show you that I have to work with this month. And that is, hold on, we'll see if we can find it right there. There it is. These. And this is the Panda Hall Elite 35mm rose gold plated brass wine glass charms. And they say earring beading hoop party favor. And it's X-EC067-4RG. And there are like about 50 pieces in here is what it says. And what these are is they are like a wine glass charm. You can also use them to make an earring if that's what you choose, but they are wine glass charms. And there's any number of things that one could actually do with these. And that rose gold is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And the diameter on these is 35 millimeters. So there's a lot of different things that one could use these for. You could use them for party favors, anything along that way. It does say try not to pull or push both ends of the ring too hard in case of unwanted breaking caused by overexertion. And there's that. So it takes absolutely nothing to open it and absolutely nothing to close it. And they are just absolutely beautiful. So we're going to see what we can come up with this for some things. I'm thinking that they would make an absolutely lovely pair of earrings if that's what one wanted to do with it. So there's that. Okay, so that is my box opening or package opening so that you guys can see what's what. Let's see. There's the letter C. And there's this other set right there with the 4U. And this set right here with the 4U. And you know, you can see the difference in the set. But the letters are basically the same. The handles are beautiful. The weight on these is amazing because you don't want something lightweight when you're trying to do your stamping and your sealing, that sort of thing. So there's that, everybody. I hope that made about as much sense as mud. I know my voice just isn't quite right, but yeah, that's the cough medicine to try and keep that under control so that I can actually talk to you guys. So there's that. And again, don't forget that their last and biggest clearance sale is going on right now on the website. Most things are up to 75% off from the U.S. warehouse, and that their U.S. warehouse is moving to a new address, and some of the products are being sold at their cheapest price yet, so you don't want to miss out. And quantities are limited, so you might want to get in there and check and see what's what. So thanks everybody for watching, and keep your eyes open for that next video doing one of these lovely things so that you guys can see how all of this works and how well that everything works. So thanks for watching. I will chat with you all later. Bye now.